cottage cheese, it's super versatile, it's high in protein, and it's also 97% fat-free. I love it, of course, in dips and spreads, but it's also a really great filler for a healthy canapé that I'm going to show you. So these are my cottage cheese, smoked salmon, and cucumber rolls. Now let's make the filling very quickly. So some cottage cheese straight into a little food processor like this one. We'll add about half of this tub. You can see how creamy and lush it is. Fantastic. To that, I'll add some capers for a hint of saltiness. A few slices of smoked salmon. You really don't need too much smoked salmon for this, just a hint of it. So 2 slices that I'll tear up. And a second slice. And classic flavours that go with smoked salmon and cottage cheese, well, that would have to be lemon. So the zest of half of this lemon. And we don't need any of the juice. The zest is strong enough. And also some dill. So a few sprigs of dill will just break up into the bowl. A very tiny amount of salt and some pepper. Lid on, and I'm going to blitz this until it's well chopped. All right, that's looking really good. I'll have a taste. Oh, so delicious. So to make these little rolls, I've got some cucumber here. I've just sliced it on a mandolin. And by doing this on a mandolin, you can see how thin and ribbon-like they are. And that's what you want. You want them to be really bendy so they roll up. So working with a few at a time, we'll place them onto a clean board. And just with a palette knife, I'm just going to take some of this delicious cottage cheese mixture and spread that onto our cucumber ribbon. Not too much. And then very delicately, we're going to roll these up. And just because there's a little bit of that cottage cheese at the end, you'll see it seal it. If it doesn't, all you need is just a little toothpick in there. How cute is that? That's a really refreshing, light canapé, quite elegant. And the best thing about it is it's super simple. We're gonna make a few more of these and pop them on a plate, ready to go.